A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Boy, some part of the Bible hard to understand, not true. But when we hear it in our art language, it come in like say everything just open up in front of we. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then please click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you don't subscribe to the channel yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, chapter 11, from verse 1 to verse 12. So then, make me ask you something. What do you think say, I want God no want people no more? No, sir. Nothing no go so. Because me I want Israelite too. Me I want an Abraham family. And me come from Benjamin tribe. God not turning back upon him people. The people when picked from before he made the world. You no remember what God would say did happen when Elijah go complain to God about all where the Israel people did do. Elijah say, Lord, them kill off your prophet them. They mash up your altar them. And me one left. And them a look for kill me. But what God did tell him? God tell him say, me keep for myself 7,000 people will never go down upon their knee and worship Baal. I see him so now, in a them time, you have one small group of people where God pick because he make up his mind to show them love, even when they don't deserve it. And nothing where they do make him pick them. He pick them because he make up his mind to show them love, even when they never deserve it. If I never saw it go, if God did not pick people based on what them do, then I know good and kind, him would have good and kind to people. So then, where we can draw from all of that, the sitting them where the Israel people did look for hard, they never find it. But the people where God pick, them did find it. The rest of them, God make them turn them heart against him. I see him so it right in a God word say. God make it so that they can't feel or understand nothing. Them have eye we can't see, and ears we can't hear. And to the day I saw them turn. And David did say, me pray say, God will set one trap for them and catch them when them have them big eat up. God, make them fall down and punish them for the wrong way them do. Make them eye dark so that they can't see and fix them back, make them bend over forever. So, make me ask on this. When the Jew them did fall down, you think say them did drop so far that they couldn't come back? No, sir. No go so. But cause them did sin, God make it so that the people them were not Jew could have get saved. And him do that to make the Israel people them jealous. So when the Jew them did a sin, God bless the world with enough good sitting. When they never follow what he said them for do and lose up on all what him did have for them, God bless the people them. We are not Jew. Enough. So if God do all of that, when the Jew them did turn them back on him, who do not think same I will bless people enough more when the Jew them come back, come believe in him. Yeah, man. A God what this. Thank God. And make sure say when you click the notification bell and keep up with what go on right inside yourself. For a work good and one love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.